Stop scrolling if you've ever wondered why your inbox is packed but your wallet stays empty. What if your emails could actually work harder than you do? Imagine waking up every morning to new commissions rolling in. Not spam. Here's the truth. Most systems keep you stuck chasing leads, hustling non-stop and burning out fast. But what if you could flip the script and finally break free? Enter AI Matrix Spillover, the ultimate shortcut for anyone tired of cold leads, dead-end follow-ups, and missed chances. This isn't just another shiny tool to clutter your screen. It's a done-for-you, AI-powered system that grows your email list, follows up with prospects automatically, and builds your team, all while you're living your life. Picture this. Every time someone joins, the Matrix does the heavy lifting, multiplying your reach and your earnings exponentially. Instead of sweating over endless follow-ups, you're sipping coffee, watching your income grow on autopilot. Fast start commissions? Check. Monthly recurring cash flow? Double check. A team that snowballs without you begging friends and family? You bet. Ready to unplug from the old grind and plug into something smarter, faster, and way more fun? Click the link below. The only thing you risk is missing out on the future of passive income.